Welcome to the post-market analysis for SPX. This is a Sunday, February 4th, 2024. Right now it's 5:51. It's right before the future markets open. So this is the first episode, and I intended to share the research I did on SPX like a movement, and this is a period move based on the some data that I collected and the major levels I identify from the data analysis that I have. And along with that, I also certainly want to kind of touch on the economic calendar as well. So let's go to share the major market level first. So Friday has a very strong run, and in my term, it moved like a 10x. So after like 3 o'clock, and there was a major pullback, and at the end it closed right below 49.60. And what I see is that 49.50 is a very significant level. So if it break that 49.50, likely it's going to test that 49.40. And if say 49.40 cannot hold, likely it's going to test that 49.30. 49.30 should offer very strong support, at least for Monday. But we never know. Things we don't know. So if we break 49.30, it will be keep going down, and it could go back all the way down to 4900, and that's possible. And I cannot say it's likely. On the upside, what I see is the 49.70. That's another very important level. And if it break above there, if there's still time for the market to run, it could likely run another 20 points, run to 49.90. So Monday typically will have lots of like different opinions, and because over the weekend and also major geopolitical events and things happen, and people may sit down and have more kind of thinking about what's forthcoming for the next week. So there may be always lots of different thoughts and influx of those thoughts. And so Monday is kind of like a melting pot, and markets sometimes may not be able to go anywhere. At the end of the day, it may come back and close right at around 49.58. So those are the major levels that I touch on here. And now the future market, we know the post like after the market closed, actually market came back down 7.5 points already. So apparently it's trying to challenge this 49.15, and so these are the equivalent level in future. And so once it break 49.70, and it would likely keep going down. And looking at that it could be likely going back to test this 49.51 level in the futures market. So what I see is that that's equivalent to 49.30 level. So which is reasonable. That's a previous high, and so we can see where it's going to go after it moved down to 49.50 level. And what I see is that 49.20 and like at the level below here should be very strong level, and there are a multiple level here that's providing the supports. So I probably would avoid doing anything around this area. So it could be pretty muddy here. And that's all I would like to share. I think the just 49.50 in the futures level, that's a very important level to watch at. And now flipping over to the calendar, and tomorrow it seems like the candle release mostly is like at 9:45 there is a PMI release, and then 10 o'clock have some ISM service release, and then what 10:30 not 10:30, sorry, it's 11:30, they are like the treasury bill auctions. And finally this is 2 o'clock Fed Bostic speech that could move the market significantly. So it will be interesting to see what's going to happen tomorrow. And but I would say watch out the future level. One very important level is like a 49.51, and very likely the market going to go all the way down there, and then with final direction from there, either coming back or going further back down there. Uh, but as I said, there would be lots of supports down here, and it would be interesting to see if I don't think tomorrow is going to penetrate that 4900. If say it come back down below 4900 again, um, the market probably have a lot more to move to go down from that level. It's interesting, and the market offer opportunities every day, and it's different every day. It's never the same, and I would say that's something that I like about the market. Happy trading.